This is what I wake up to every morning. The musical workshop is in full swing, but I can't just sit back and enjoy it because for the next few days I just have to sing, learn music and cook. Everybody's left me to run the entire workshop on my own. Michael's gone, Ruth's gone, Jerry's gone, Mummy's gone, Percy's gone. And it's me and this really lovely local girl who's helping me out, and our cleaner's coming in once a day as an emergency to help. And you know that Lalande is a magical place because our cleaner's actually called Mary Poppins. For real. She's French and her name is Marie Poupin. Panic is beginning to set in. I have 3 days to learn this tricky piece by Mahler to perform this weekend with the teachers from the workshop. I'm making a cucumber salad with the cucumbers from the garden. Aha! A clue has been found!
Oh no!
Sollten fast Tage vorkommen, alle Fische gleich mit Freude angeschwommen. Dort lauf und war Vater mit Netz und mit Körner zum himmlischen Weiher hinein.
Got to bed. I'm completely exhausted. I'm in quite a panic about the song as well. The concert's tomorrow night. I'll let you know how it's gone after the weekend. Fingers crossed. Also, I think I have to stop eating all of the cakes that I'm making. Good night. I'll leave you with a view of what's going on outside my window.